Let's add the product. You come to the product tab here. You say add, scan barcode, and you just put the phone closer to the barcode, and you can see that the numbers really match. So we say Mochi's biscuits, Mochi's biscuits. Then we add a new category because we don't have, so we say biscuits. So okay, the category already exists, so we just search for the category biscuits. Here we are, it is. Then we say selling price 0.5 cents, and we say the cost price was maybe 25 cents. Then we proceed on to say the box. Let's assume the box has size of the box, items per box, maybe it was 50. Let's just assume the box has 50, and we have got 2 boxes. We skip initial stock quantity because once we put the number of boxes, everything is going to be fine. So we put 2 boxes. Maybe our lowest threshold is going to be maybe 20. So we'll be able to be notified on the stock alert. And we say save. It's added, as you can see. We proceed, we add another one. This one is fresh leaf tea. Scan the barcode, and we put the item closer. Immediately it picks, no delays. Fresh leaves tea, that's it. And the category, let's add, if it's already existing, we'll be able to be notified tea. Okay, this one doesn't exist, so it's added, and we have the tea here. There we go. We say maybe it's this one, say $1, maybe 50 cents. Then the box maybe has got 20, and we say we got 3 boxes, and our lowest threshold maybe is going to be, let's just say 10. And okay, 10, and here we have maybe our shelf number is number 2. Then you save. The product has been added. So we move on to the selling tab. Once you want to sell your product, you can still scan the barcode from your phone. We just click scan. Under new sale, make sure that you have got a button indicating the blue, not the sales history, but the blue new sale. You click scan barcode. You see, fresh leaf tea is picked up. So we just say checkout, and here you can choose credit sale. Once you do that, you have option to add a new customer or to select the customers, or if that's not the case, you can still cancel. Checkout, we choose USD, and we choose cash. You can choose other options, Zig, South Africa Rand, Mozambique Net Cash. You can choose to pay with a card, EcoCash, One Money. So those are the payments methods that will be recorded. Let's just say the amount is equal to the amount given is equal to the price, and we have no change. Then you sell your product, and you can either choose to print if your phone is connected to a Bluetooth printer, or you can save the receipt to phone, or you simply close and the sale has gone through. You go to sales history. On today's sales, we've got one fresh leaf tea. For this week, we got this. For this month, we got this, because today the date is 1. So if we say all, we'll be able to see all the sales for all the months. So this is how the product and the sales tab works. And if you come back to the dashboard, you'll be able to see what has happened this week and today and the month. And under credit, you can just record your creditors, the people who actually took things on credit from the sales. So we don't have an option to add creditors over here, because you add them under the sales tab. And the reports, this is where you are able to see all the reports as they go, per week, per day, this month, and annually. You are able to see all these beautiful graphs, everything, top selling products, stock alert, best selling, and peak hours, profit analysis, breakdown, all these things. Okay, so from there you proceed on to the business users. Here you have got the business name. You can change everything, and after that you click save at the top here. And for text, you can switch on this one, and you put your Zimra API and all the details. If you have a receipt, this is the information on the receipt that you can adjust. Then we got users and their permissions, admin, manager, cashier. These people see different things as according to their permissions. For example, the admin has access to everything, but the cashier does not delete anything, does not edit anything, does not view some of the things. Like this page, they do not view it. Then moving forward, back to the tab, we got this. You see the expenses tab. You are able to add the expenses over here, everything. Click add, and that's it. Record the expense. Then moving forward, got this stock movement. Under stock movement, we got a lot. This is where you see how your stock was added. You see, we just added this one. We just added this one, and these ones were added, the fresh leaf tea today, and these other ones were added previously. Then you can choose to add more stock per item. You select, for example, sort, and once it's selected, you can add number of boxes or items and total, and you can change the price if needed. Then you can put, if it is new order, whatever, then you add the stock. Then you can track the stock from here, that is to say stock tracking. So you can count the items. For example, we got a salt, say for instance on the shelf, we counted and we found it to be maybe 35. You see what has happened, -4. We come to the satchels, maybe we say we got 18, that's equal. The blankets, maybe we got 10, that's accurate. Let's just say maybe we got 11, it is saying +1. Then we proceed, maybe we say sanitary pads, maybe we counted, we say 22. Then we say submit. Then this is your stock summary that comes out. Match is a 1, shortages is a 1, surplus is a 2. So this is how you'll be able to see everything in your system. Then you come to the summary tab, you see what we have just done in the stock is summarized here and the previous dates. Then you got some money in the account. So this is the cash collection. We got total sales, then we got total profit. It's saying a negative. Why? Maybe we got some losses somewhere. Then collected so far 120. Then available is 17. That is to say, if you want to collect that 17 or say 10, we collect the 10. From there we say reorder, the reason for the collection. We say record, then successful, and we are left with $7.80, and the collection date is here. So you are able to see your every movement, every single movement of your money is registered. So that's how the system works. Thank you.